Hello friends, this is Bo. Right now I know you can't see me, but you can hear me, so I'm just going to give a review on this Kobalt Tool Set that I bought this morning. It is actually pretty decent. Neither Kobalt nor Lowe's has asked me to give this review or paid me to give this review. I'm doing it on my own. So without further ado, let's take a look at it. The casing, you see, has metal latches, and has also got metal hinges on the back, or metal bar hinges on the back for the lid. Open up the top and you have only 6 wrenches, regular wrenches, several screwdriver bits that are all magnetic with the handle right there. You have sticker and 3 different size socket wrench, 1/4, 3/8, 1/2 inch, Allen wrenches, various adapters. Open up one drawer. You have torque down and star adapters for all the socket wrenches. Open up the second drawer. You have regular sockets, both metric and standard. And open up the third drawer, just more sockets, a little bit more on the deeper side than a lot of people usually use. The only thing that this does not have that makes it iffy for some is it does not have spark plug sockets. But everything for 319 pieces for original price of 150 bucks or 160, excuse me, is not bad. You get everything I've just showed you for 160 bucks, and it comes in a fairly decently built plastic case. It's 18 by 12 height, width. So if you all decide to get it, hope you enjoy it. Thank you.